Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and what I have here is a gigantic bee that I have not seen before. My hubby was in the garage and it came flying in. He was able to trap it and kill it with the spray, but look at the size of this. I don't know what kind of bee is it. It's not a bumblebee, not a yellow jack, not a wasp. But, you know, there could be hundreds out there of different types. But it is huge. I hope we don't get any more of these because, you know, you don't... Oops! I just dropped it. But it's dead anyway. So, yeah, let me put it on the white area there. There it goes. So just beware because, you know, we might be getting an infestation of these types of bees. I don't know where it came from, where it's going, where are they going, because I'm sure there's more. So I wanted to share that with you. Okay? Alrighty. Thank you for watching.